Welcome to the Passive Income channel. In today's video, we will reveal the best alternative to Linktree's affiliate program, which offers generous commissions. The best we've seen in the vast range of freemium apps. Moreover, it allows you to earn recurring commissions for life on various cutting-edge online resources and tools. Our community of friends, lovers of generating passive income, ask us the following question. Does Linktree have an affiliate program? It sounds tempting to promote such a popular tool that offers so many benefits due to its ease of use and because it solves the problem of having only one link in the bio. But the reality is that as of today, Linktree affiliate program does not exist. The good news is that we have a much better alternative that also has a generous affiliate program. Stay tuned until the end because you'll discover the excellent tool created by an expert marketer for marketers, with a freemium business model. Their affiliate program offers up to 50% commissions. And not only that, it also allows you to generate recurring lifetime income for every new lead you refer for free to the Microsite creator. Oh, and something else surprising, you can promote it in 10 languages, with support and tutorials also available in 10 languages. Does it sound interesting to you? Well, that's not all. You won't have to make a single sale. Like I said, it's created by an expert marketer for marketers. Get ready because there are more surprises in store. Let's get started. Introducing Weby 777, the best microsite builder on the market, an app with a freemium business model. Its free version is one of the best and most complete, which also includes over 140 free online tools, making it very easy to promote for any affiliate, even for beginners. And if you are a marketer or want to promote the best online affiliate programs, sell your products or services or create fast and good content, the VIP version offers incredible features, many more than Linktree and Unlimited. Additionally, in its latest update, they have added artificial intelligence, dozens of trained chats to help you create any type of professional content quickly and easily. Let's take a look at some of its features, and for that, we'll use this same microsite you're viewing as an example. It has been created with Weby itself. As you can see, it's created from one of its numerous templates. Once you visit the link in the description and sign up, you will access the user area. Go to BioLink Templates and select one of the templates, then click on Choose Template and create BioLink page, and you're done. You already have a microsite, you just need to customize it and add or remove blocks. Ready to dive into the future of affiliate marketing with Weby. As you can see on your screen, we're summarizing the exciting content of the Weby microsite created with this microsite builder. So, why am I so enthusiastic about it? Let me tell you. Looking for the perfect Linktree alternative that offers more than just a microsite? Look no further than Weby. As an avid user of Weby, let me guide you through the exciting world of affiliate marketing opportunities it offers. Weby isn't just another microsite builder, it's your gateway to passive income generation. Unlike Linktree, Weby provides a lucrative affiliate program that allows you to earn recurring commissions effortlessly. Plus, you can join for free, create your microsite, and start generating income for life with your Weby account. But wait, there's more. Upgrade to the VIP version of Weby, and you'll boost your commissions by up to 50%. And the best part? You don't even have to sell anything. Keep listening to discover why Weby is the ultimate choice for affiliate marketers. For more details and to access Weby for free, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your affiliate marketing game. Ready to see why Weby is the best freemium app on the market, which for you could literally be a microsite income generator. To start, you should know that joining the Weby affiliate program is easy. Simply go to the description and sign up for a free Weby account and you will get an email with all the tutorials and all the information to start promoting the free micropage builder using your unique affiliate link. In addition to support and tutorials in 10 languages. Soon you will have a chatbot integrated in your language that will answer any questions you may have, which will also support your referrals to the app. Now let's create an advanced contact form, but remember that Weby allows you to decide which data you want to capture. In this case, we will capture name, email, phone number, and a message. We will add a webhook to send the received data to a Google Sheets and will redirect to the Weby page that will be auto-filled with the lead's data. These are all advanced functions that you can easily perform with your VIP version of Weby. Even if you're not familiar with these slightly more technical things, everything is in tutorials, so don't worry. Just keep in mind that these are some of the functions that Weby has, which increase its conversion rate and therefore benefit affiliates like you or me to generate more commissions. Now let's see how simple it is to use Weby. We'll add a button to capture WhatsApp numbers. From the blocks section, we added previously and then activate it. We can easily move any block like this. Right-click and hold, then move it to the position we want to place it. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, you can add an H1, a countdown clock, a logo, avatar or photo, contact form, clickable photos. Default buttons are with CSS, videos, H2 and H3, CTA, paragraphs, markdowns, image carousel, timeline, item lists, FAQs or signature. You can also add QR codes, shorten links, vCards, or sell products with integrated payment gateways, among other functionalities. Program the validity date of a clickable link, create a membership mini-site, or if you work with CPA marketing offers, you can create conditions and decide the countries, devices, languages, or operating systems in which the content blocks are displayed. Remember that you can decide which fields you request in your forms. Let's do a test in our case. This is what you'll find when you go to the Microsite and access our form. It will give you access to Weby for free and also to its affiliate system. To do this, fill in the email and name. In our case, we also fill in the phone number so you can see that it works perfectly. As you can see, it has a number validator. We also fill in the comment and click on the Create Account button. As you can see, it redirects us to the page we added, in this case, the one for free access to Weby, which as you can see arrives pre-filled with the data entered previously, name and email. All you would need to do is add a password, your last name, and click on Create Account. As we can see, the webhook added works perfectly. It sent us all the lead data in this case to a Google Sheets. But you can decide where to send it. With webhooks you have no limit, of course, to your autoresponder as well. As you can see, we received the date, page ID, phone, email, message, name, URL, and all the UTM parameters. Are you tired of hitting dead ends with your affiliate efforts? It's time to shake things up with Weby, your ultimate ally in the affiliate marketing world. Picture this: effortless microsite income streams, recurring commission affiliate programs, and a user-friendly platform that feels like a breeze to navigate. There are many reasons why many marketers will opt for Weby instead of Linktree or its other alternatives. And this is nothing but a huge opportunity for you to position yourself as a pioneering affiliate in your language and get the maximum profitability. Here are some of the key differences that make Weby an essential app for anyone looking to do business online. The freemium business model, its niche templates, affiliate program, recurring commissions, dozens of free online tools, personalized AI chatbots and other cutting-edge products to improve sales and conversions for any online business. For example, if you have a website, blog, or block that accepts HTML, you can embed it by pasting a simple code, which generates greater retention. For this and much more, we use Weby daily, and the conversion results are not far behind. Imagine being able to effortlessly capture leads and drive traffic without breaking a sweat. That's the power of Weby's affiliate program. It's like having your own personal lead magnet on steroids. And the best part? You can dip your toes into the world of affiliate success with this freemium app. No more guessing games or empty promises, just real results and tangible rewards. So why wait any longer? Join the ranks of savvy affiliates who are earning top commissions and enjoying the perks of recurring income streams. With Weby by your side, the sky's the limit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Sign up today and start turning your affiliate dreams into a reality. Visit the link in the description and join now to be a pioneer in your language. Let us know what you think of this wonderful free tool. Subscribe and give us a like if you liked it and click the link in the description to get started.